Hello students, welcome to another day of class. Today in our science class, we are going to have a review about what we were talking last week, and then we are going to start talking about a new topic. I'm going to play a video about the pyramid of food just for you to get an idea about why it is important to organize the food.
Hello friends! Welcome to a new Happy Learning video. Today we are going to learn a bit more about healthy eating, something very important to all of us. We already know that healthy foods are fundamental for our existence. They help us grow, be strong, and be healthy. To eat healthily, one must learn about the variety and quantities of the food we eat. We need to learn about the food pyramid and follow its steps. Here it is. The first step on the pyramid, the smallest one, is the one.
So here we have the fat and sweet, the small piece of the pyramid of food. Why it is the smallest? Because are the food that we have to eat the lowest that we can.
About fats and sweets. It's the favorite one by all children, but to be honest, it is the worst one. One must eat very little or nothing from this step. Pastries and sweeties are delicious, but they contain a high number of calories, which are very bad for our body. They make us fatter and don't help with anything. In fact, many doctors agree that this sector is very bad for our health. The second step is formed by meat, fish, and egg.
So we have here the second part. So we have here meat, fish, or eggs. So it is preferred to consume fish and eggs instead of a lot of meat.
It is very important to vary these foods every single day. You shouldn't just eat meat because you don't like fish. In fact, we should eat more fish and eggs than meat. The third step is all about dairy. This group consists of milk.
Here we have cheese, milk, and butter in the fourth step.
Cheese and butter. I especially love yogurts. You must eat these foods from 1 to 3 times a day. The fourth step is extremely important.
The fourth step is one of the most extremely important steps because here we have the vegetables and the fruit, the one that contains the proteins and the minerals to our body.
Important because it revolves around fruits and vegetables. These foods fill our bodies with vitamins and minerals and allow us to stay in shape and be strong. Doctors recommend to eat these 5 times a day. If you do, your body will thank you. The base of the pyramid, fifth step.
The fifth step, or the base of the pyramid, is about grains, pastas, and cereals. That is the base, the one that is considered as the most important part of the pyramid of food.
Is the group of the carbohydrates. Here you can find cereals, bread, pasta, rice, and potatoes. They are also very important, so we must eat them daily. As well as following the different steps in the pyramid, we need to take into account.
Okay, so I hope you understood what happened with the pyramidal food. So that was the review of the last week. Now we are going to start with our topic. Okay, now during this week we are going to talk about nutrition during pregnancy. We already know what is nutrition in general because we know how to manage the pyramidal food. We already know which are the types of food that we have to eat daily. But now we're going to talk about nutrition during pregnancy. Today is Tuesday, August 25th, 2020. Please, in your science notebook, copy the date and copy the title. You have the information of this week on page 78. Nutrition is to grow up healthy. It is important to choose food that give us necessary nutrients. This part you are not going to copy. Here we have a picture that you can find in your science book on page 78 about the nutritious food and the food low in nutrients. So, during pregnancy, the mother of the baby should eat fruits and vegetables, meats, pasta and grains, and 4 glasses of water and very small amounts of sugar. Why? Fruits and vegetables because they are sources of vitamins and minerals. Meats because they provide proteins that help from tissues. Pasta and grains because they are the source of energy. And the 4 glasses of water instead of a lot of amount of sugar. So please copy this in your notebook. What do you think it is important to the mother of the baby? Be healthy. Yes, it's because of the baby, because if the mother is healthy, the baby is healthy also. Okay, so breast milk. Breast milk is one of the first food to provide us protection. From the first to the 6th month, breast milk it is necessary for good nutrition. It provides the required elements to grow. It gives the baby defenses to combat diseases. So that's why it is extremely important. From 6 to 8 months, babies eat vegetable, compost, and fruit juices. And from 8 to 10 months, babies start eating solid food such as pieces of meat. We're going to continue learning more about this topic tomorrow. I hope you are excited about this, excited about learning some new things. See you until next class.